Affogato Delight, the two-ingredient coffee treat Thoven Hey coffee lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making one of the simplest yet most elegant coffee desserts out there. The Affogato. If you love the combination of hot and cold, bitter and sweet, this classic Italian treat is going to steal your heart. With just a few ingredients and almost no prep time, the Affogato proves that incredible desserts don't have to be complicated. An affogato, which literally means drowned in Italian, is traditionally made by pouring a shot of hot espresso over cold vanilla gelato or ice cream. The magic happens the moment the espresso hits the ice cream, creating a creamy, melty, coffee-infused dessert that's rich, smooth, and incredibly satisfying. It's part dessert, part coffee, and completely irresistible. Ingredients you'll need: 1 large scoop of vanilla ice cream or vanilla gelato, 1 shot of freshly brewed hot espresso or very strong coffee. Optional toppings: shaved chocolate, cocoa powder, crushed cookies, biscotti crumbs, or chopped nuts. Optional flavor boosts: caramel sauce, chocolate syrup, or a splash of coffee liqueur for adults. Directions: start by placing a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or gelato into a small glass bowl or mug. Brew your espresso fresh so it's hot and aromatic. Slowly pour the espresso directly over the ice cream, letting it melt naturally and swirl into a creamy coffee pool. That's it. Your affogato is ready. For extra indulgence, finish with a sprinkle of shaved chocolate or crushed biscotti on top. You can also drizzle caramel or chocolate sauce for a sweeter twist, or add a splash of liqueur if you're serving this as an after-dinner dessert. The affogato is perfect for dinner parties, date nights, or whenever you want a quick treat that feels fancy. If you loved this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments how you like to customize your affogato. See you in the next video. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.